Oh, let's see. We're gonna go check it out. What's up, Mackie? Meow. He's watching out for the storm. What's going on out here, Mac? Tell me. What's going on, baby? Huh? Is it raining? Tell me. Is it? Is it raining? Tell me about the weather. Is it gonna have a storm? Okay, let's look. Gee, it's like 8 o'clock at night. Let's see, can you tell? It's a little bit of sprinkling water. Not too much rain. It's the first time it's really rained today. You can see the clouds moving. Pretty soon it'll be dark, though. We won't be able to really film too much of it. Excuse me. Harry's famous sinuses. Mickey, where you at, bud? Huh? How you doing, my baby? Ow. You don't mind the rain, do you? Not as long as you could get on the porch. Huh, buddy? You come in the house? You want to come in now? Yeah? Oh, okay. Okay, come on, Mac. Let's go. You want to come in? That's all for now.